Sorry.
Nom 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 nom.
This is going to be one of my favorite dish. So good. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Do you know the 3 top jigae that most Korean people love? Top 1 is doenjang jigae. Second is kimchi jigae. I know of you are very familiar of it. But do you know the third one? It's called soondubu찌개. Are you curious about soondubu? I'm gonna show you. Here it is. Now, I know many of us know about tofu, but soondubu is not familiar. Now, the difference of these two is that soondubu is very soft. It's a Korean taho. Have any one of you tried soondubu찌개 before? So this video, I'm going to show to you the recipe of this dish. So please be with me. Here are the ingredients for our dish. Absolutely, we need soondubu. We also need pork meat. You can use any part of pork meat. If you have ground pork, that is much okay because you don't have to chop it. We also need white onion, spring onions, chili, and zucchini. Now, this is optional. I still have this in my fridge. This is shrimp and octopus. This is very good match to our dish. And we need enoki mushroom and a minced garlic. So, you already know the ingredients. Let's cook it. So now let's start to cut our pork meat. Next is our onion. Cut it into half. This is the spring onion. You have to cut it in a thin slice. So I put it in a bowl. And next, let's cut our green chili. Next is our zucchini. We're going to cut it in 4 slices. Next is our enoki mushroom. I'll just cut it into half. the cooking. Now, before we start to cook our soondubu찌개, let me tell you an important thing for this dish. It's this. I just boiled some seashells. You can use any seashells you want. I already removed the shell from its flesh. We're gonna be using this as a water for our dish. So let's heat our pan. Let's put 2 tablespoons of oil. Now we are going to fry our pork meat. We are going to add our chili powder. We are going to make chili oil. But you can turn off the heat because we don't want our chili to burn. If you felt your chili is burning, you can add a little water. Wow, the smell is so good. Wow. Now we can see our oil, our chili oil. This is very important that our chili oil is going out. After this, we can add our seashell soup. And let's cover it and boil. When it boils, we have to add our zucchini and our chili. And also our soondubu. Now we are going to add our shrimp and octopus. Now we are going to put soy sauce. This is for balancing the taste of our dish. And also, let's add a little of MSG. and a little of seasoning mix. Now we are going to add this fish sauce. Just 1 tablespoon. This fish sauce is used for kimchi. Let's add egg. To finish this dish, we have to add our mushroom. And our minced garlic. Now our dish is looking so good. And that's it. It's done. We're going to do the plating. Let's do the plating and the taste test. So, let's taste it. Let's try a little bit of dubu. It's really good. It's really tasty. The dubu is really soft, but it's so spicy, but the spiciness is perfect. Once more. Taho taste ready siya. This dish is really amazing. I'm hungry. I need a rice for. Do you know how the Koreans eat this dish with rice? I'm going to show you. This is going to be one of my favorite dish. So good. One more. So that's it. I hope you guys learned how to cook this soondubu찌개. Thank you for watching.